Hi, boys and girls. I'm glad you could join me today. My name is Anne, and I'm the lead teacher in the stream room. I'm also a Montessori expert at the Halifax Kids and Company. STREAM, as you may know, is an acronym for Science, Technology, Reading, Engineering, Arts, and Maths. In my last video, I focused on the science aspect of it. Today, I'm going to be deliberating on the reading aspect of it. Yes, you heard me right, reading. But no, I'm not going to be reading to you today. Rather, I'm going to combine my knowledge of Montessori and STREAM to help you, yes, you, my friends, learn the basics of reading. So get comfy and let's get started. First things first, there are 26 letters in the alphabet, 26 of them. And of these 26, we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. We don't count the vowels because I circled them so as to differentiate them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the vowels and the rest of them are consonants. When we learn this, then we have started our baby steps to reading. Today, however, we're going to concentrate on the vowels. So when I put my hand behind my ear, I'm trying to say that you should repeat after me, because when you repeat after me, then you learn really faster. First, we're going to learn the letter names, and then we're going to learn their sounds. A, E, E, I, O, U. That's the letter name. Thank you for reading with me. Now let's go learn their sounds. A, E, O, O. Thank you, great job. Now we're going to learn to relate them to objects. A as in apple. E as in egg. E as in igloo. O as in orange. Guess you can see it. O as in, this is O. O as in umbrella. Yeah. Now that we know the names and sounds of our vowels, we're going to learn a song so we'll never forget them. Let's go. There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, O. A, E, I, O. There are 5 vowels. Great job. Thank you for singing along with me. Let's take it one more time. There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O. A, E, I, O. There are 5 vowels. Great. Now we're going to sing action rhymes on each and every one of these vowels to help you remember them all the time. I'm going to put it right in front of my screen so you can see it really clearly. Starting with R. Apple on a tree, ah, ah, ah. Apple on a tree, ah, ah, ah. Apple on a tree, ah, ah, ah. Ah is the sound for A. Cracking an egg, eh, eh, eh. Cracking an egg, eh, eh, eh. Cracking an egg, eh, eh, eh. A is the sound for E. Building an igloo, E, E, E. Building an igloo, E, E, E. Building an igloo, E, E, E. E is the sound for I. Leaking an orange, oh, oh, oh. Leaking an orange, oh, oh, oh. Leaking an orange, oh, oh, oh. O is the sound for O. Up, up, umbrella, oh, oh, oh. Up, up, umbrella, oh, oh, oh. Up, up, umbrella, oh, oh, oh. O is the sound for you. Thank you very much, my friends. I hope you sang along with me. Now that we know our vowels, in my next video, I'm going to teach you all the sounds of the entire 26 letters of the alphabet. And guess what? After that, we're going to blend them together and start forming words. Yes, we can read when we do that. Thank you very much for hanging along with me. Just before I go, I want to introduce you to some of my friends. I have Fishy here. He's so cute. Such a great friend. And I have Butterfly. And then there is Dinosaur. And then I love my bear so much. He's all ready for the spring. He has his boots. He has his raincoat. He has a very cute umbrella. Are you ready for the spring, friends? Please be. Say hi to him. Hi. And say hi to the rest of my friends. Hi. And bye for now. Thank you so much.